In this lecture, you will learn about the different measuring units. This is the first slide actually to show what are the different physical quantity and what are their names and how can we abbreviate these names. So first one is the mass, and this is the name of the unit is kilogram, and its abbreviation is the small k and small g. This is the symbol to use for the kilogram. The other physical quantity is the length, and this is to measure in meter, and abbreviation is small m. Temperature is another physical quantity. Name of this unit is Kelvin, and it is shown in capital K. And the fourth one is the amount of substance we represent in mole, and its abbreviation is mol. So these are the four are the fundamental units you will be using in your daily life, and it is important to learn that how can we convert one unit to another unit. So let's have a look on the table. This is the general table you can use with the measurement of the length, measurement of the mass, or with the volume or any other unit. So actually I'm starting with the base 10. So when the value is 10, this we prefix with this deca, and the symbol is the dA. And just when you multiply by 10, it will become 100. That means you are increasing 1 0. So briefly you can write 100 exponent 2, and when it is 100 it is called hecto, and the symbol is small h. Again, if you increase one more zero, it becomes 1000, and you can call it exponent 3. It is called kilo, and its unit is the k. And increasing three more unit with the 1000, the total zero becomes 6, and it is the exponent 6. It is called mega, and the unit symbol is the capital M. And if you increase to exponent 9, this is called giga, and the symbol is capital G. And now moving to the reverse order. So if I'm going to divide by 10, 1 divided by 10, it will become zero point 0.1, and we call it exponent minus 1, and it is the deci, and the symbol is the small d. And further dividing by 10, the value will be 0.01, or exponent minus 2, it is called centi, and the symbol is C. Further divided by 10, it is the 0.001, exponent minus 3, it is called milli, and the symbol is small m. So this is capital M, this is small m. And similarly, you are going to exponent minus 6 micro, and this is the symbol of the micro. Exponent minus 9, it is called nano, and this is small n. Exponent minus 12, this is called pico, and the symbol is the p. So this is actually the table in which you can use as a reference to convert one unit to another unit. Like here, one decagram will be equal to 100 gram, or 1 centimeter equal to 0.01 meter, and so on. So let's do some simple things according to your syllabus. So what is the example over here is to measure the mass. So actually this you have to remember. This is actually the conversion factor. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram, and 1 kilogram equal to 1000 milligram, and this is the exponent 6 milligram, and 1 kilogram equal to exponent 9 micrograms. So because these are the small units and this is the mega units, so you are having grams in kilograms, milligrams in kilograms, and micrograms in kilogram. And what are the units? These are the conversion unit to show how much gram, milligram, or the micrograms are present in 1 kilogram. So let's do further to convert. If you want to convert how many milligrams are present in 1 gram, so that means you have to divide by the thousand, and if you divide thousand by thousand, this will become 1 gram, and dividing thousand, three zero are cancelled out with the 30, the rest 1000 is left, and that means 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. And similarly, by dividing 1000, six zeros are left, that means 1 gram equal to exponent 6 microgram. And now if you want to calculate how many micrograms are there in 1 milligram, and similarly you can divide uh, exponent 6, that means dividing by this factor, and because this is a similar factor, this divided by this factor, it will become 1, and this is the 1 milligram, and divided uh, this microgram with the exponent 6, 6 is all cancel out, and then the rest will be the 1000, that means 1 milligram will be equal to 1000 microgram. In this way, you can use all these terms to convert one unit to another unit. Similarly, you can convert, let's go, how many kilograms are there in 1 gram. Again, similar one, if one, how many milligrams are there in 1 gram. So simple thing is you have to divide by the thousand with this term. Thousand divided by thousand is again one, and one divided by thousand is 0.001, sorry, 0.0001, three zeros, uh, uh, kilograms. So this is how you can divide one unit to another unit. In a similar way, for the measurement of the length, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter equal to 100,000 millimeter, 1 meter equal to exponent 6 micrometer, 1 meter equal to exponent 9 nanometer. And if you convert how many millimeters are there in 1 centimeter, so just divide by 100, divided by 100, 100 and 100. 100 divided by 100 becomes 1, 1000 divided by 100 becomes 10, and this 4 zero are left, and there are the 7 zeros are left, and this is how 1 centimeter equal to all these units. And if you convert how many millimeters are there in or how many micrometer or the nanometer are there in 1 millimeter, so just divide the whole this unit by 1000. So 1000 divided by 1001, 3000 cancel out, rest is left is 1000, and here are the 6000, 30 cancel out, and the remaining are the 60. This is how you can convert 1 millimeter equal to 1000 micrometer or exponent 6 nanometer. And similar you can do for how many nanometer are there in 1 micrometer. You can divide 1000 dividing by 1000, that means 1 micrometer equal to 1000 nanometer. And you can go to the backward direction, how many meter are there in 1 centimeter. So just remember, you must use the conversion unit, divided by 100, divided by 100. So divided by 100 becomes 1, and this is the 1 divided by 100, that is equal to 0.01. So this is all about how can we convert one unit to another unit. I have uploaded a assignment for the asynchronous mode, but it is not necessary for uh, uh, the student who are without an even roll number who are coming on the campus. So just look at the assignment. I have given some conversion, so you do at home just for your own practice.